Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Afterglow AX.4 wired Xbox 360 headset. That's a long name, but yeah, and a review and how it works and how I like it, the good and bad about it. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, and always have this little thing. Open this. Should pull this little plastic thing out. There we go. And the wire. Oh, it comes in two pieces. Okay. So, I guess you just plug that in there. Put it to the side. Alright, well, here it is. Looks like you could have it for left and right side. Mute button, easy access. It's an okay size cord. Looks like this is for listening and speaking, and this is for the LED lights. I got blue because it's my favorite color, and I'm gonna show you how it goes. Right now it's on mute, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna turn off the lights just to show you. Alright, that's how it kind of works. It's a very nice headset. I enjoy it. It's pretty comfortable over here, actually. More comfortable than the recent one I just got. And I like it a lot. And it was a great Christmas present from my mom. It was only $20. That's the good part. See, look. I bought it $20. GameStop. Brand new. Well, that's Afterglow AX.4 headset unboxing and review. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and like. It's brief, and I'm out.